Mantles never go back to heaven. No, it's not recorded in scripture that any mantle returned back. That means the mantle upon the fathers who walked upon America, Billy Graham, Reinhard Bonnke, D.L. Moody, all of the great men, that mantle is still hovering around. But the problem is that the vessels, when you pray revival, don't ask God to come. It's not a wise prayer. Ask God to build the bride. The spirit is ready. Revivals do not have dates. Revival is ready to happen the day the bride is prepared.
The sound of revival.